Say hi, I am Ashish Pariyal. I am heading the store department at Mundra, including trading stores, Westport operation store, and Mundra port stores. My colleague is Mr. Jethwa.
Ajay Jethwa, good afternoon. I am HOS of project stores as well as bridging stores.
Okay.
Yes. Myself, Jignesh Patel.
Working in project store.
Myself, Piyush Sangani, working in TMC stores.
We took it very, as far as I am concerned, I took it very lightly, with understanding that everything is known to me. What is new to this system? I took it very lightly. When the day came when everybody demonstrated mainly this agile process on board, when my turn come, I could not speak even in front of all people. I could not convince them what is the process map over there, because I was in impression that everything, I know everything, nothing to do with this process and this and that. क्या होता है कुछ भी नहीं है, सब मुझे मालूम है. Then on that day I took it was a lesson for me. This is not acceptable. Now I have to learn into depth. On the same day, I decided, and very next day, we started gathering the team at different places. See, few of us from project, few from dressing, few from operation, and some from Westport stores. Started gathering and discussing line to line, item to item. Okay, what is the meaning of this line? What does this mean by this word or lines? That way, we went through entire process thoroughly. Initially, our motto was to receive the material and to issue the material. That's it. End of the day, let us go home. But after this, we learned so many things. See, checking list of the documents, then system which we were told without purchase order, no material to be received. Then major thing we changed was we segregated the entry which was taking place in stores at the time of receipt of the material, which gate entry was shifted to security department, so that let the different agencies should do the entry at security gate. After gate entry, store started doing the GRN activity. So this was the major difference we could see. Due to this, LIV posting was very fast. We could do the LIV posting and send the document to DCC or ABEX within a span of 3 days, which used to take 7 days or 8 days time. We could reduce the time marginally thanks to this discipline. The major achievement was issue of the material. Initially, material was, we used to receive the material and unloaded at contractor site, but there were no material reservation given by the project managers. So after discussion with them, we said they have to, if they cannot give in time, they need to give us in advance, at least for 15 days or 1 month period. So that way we started getting reservation slip well in advance. Hence, immediately we could make our system goods receipt and issues online on day-to-day basis. Based on this, when GRNs were under inspection, we started follow-up with quality department, requesting they need to shift the flag as OK material, so that we can post into the in system, which are directly issued to the contractor. This way, we could reduce the time which were taking, more time which were taking at quality department. And finally, by doing this, by every first and second, the material statement for the contractors, which was not at all happening throughout our working in PMC.
Okay.
So data were very perfect, and time gap was reduced like anything.
Okay.
So after implementation of Agile, we feel proud of working in this system, and I can assure all of my friends, those who are working different sites, they should implement the system as fast as possible. They are going to get the benefit like anything.
Okay.
In this implementation period, we trained our boys how to work. We bifurcated the responsibilities. Initially, all were doing everything. Everybody were doing everything. So that concept we stopped and bifurcated the responsibility to individuals. Mr. X will do this job, Mr. Y will do this job only. By bifurcating the responsibility, we started getting very good results.
So what was this bifurcation in terms?
See, one particular person who was taking care of receipt, issue, transfer, everything. Now, one person was responsible only receipt, another was responsible only issue, another person was responsible only generating this free issue material statement, reconciliation with the contractors and all. So, by bifurcating the thing, delays which was happening in past were almost within control, and we used to save a lot of time in this. This was the major benefit we got in this course. Actually, we have two requests. One is, whenever any project starts, work order must be generated in the system. If work order is there, then project must start. Otherwise, what is happening? Every time project manager come and request us, when you start issuing the material, work order is in sign or in process, or contractor is mobilized, we are getting delayed, please issue the material. If we are really serious, then from all the angles, from all the departments, the system should run very seriously. All individuals should take their responsibility and see that counter department should not suffer on account of their delays or their issues.
Okay.
Then another suggestion what I was discussing with you was end of the month normally project manager books their material consumption of department or their projects. By doing this we are delaying the process by 1.5 months. So during this process we are unable to get the correct picture of WM stock. We feel on daily basis contractor is generating this DPR and handing over to project managers. If we can use this help of DPR and book the consumption on daily or weekly basis, I am sure we can avoid this gap or delays which is still there at the moment. My request to all is what I told, nobody should take it lightly, because see, we are working in stores since a very long time, we have stores experience, but looking to this, we take this system very lightly like I took, and I could not express the things on board on that day. So let us take it very positively and seriously. Let us involve our team along with during this process, and day to day, if you are working with the help of Agile this framework, I am sure this will give a very good, very big fruits to stores, as well as this will help to reduce dependency or delays or help to very strong. So my request to all my colleagues, please take it seriously and try to implement it as early as possible, which I have done here. I am getting very good fruits. I would let me say thank you very much to Sri Rajesh Rathod ji and Sanjay Gupta ji also, who has motivated me like anything, right from Mundra to Ahmedabad and learning at Ahmedabad. Give me an opportunity. Otherwise, क्या जरूरत है इतना दूर से आने का, सिखा देंगे हो जाएगा. They were very serious on this. That's why we could achieve this milestone. So once again, I am thank you. Thanks to Mr. Rajesh Rathod and Sanjay Gupta ji sitting at Ahmedabad as my HODs.